Hey guys, Rick from Project Mapleseed and the Canadian Rimfire Precision Series, bringing you a quick tabletop product review. This is the Matador Arms Sidewinder. It is a folding buttstock adapter that threads into standard AR buffer tube quick receivers and allows you to basically save this much length or more, maybe 10 to 12 inches of buttstock, allowing you to keep the existing bigger bags you have. One of the things I found when I got into PRS was in search for more muzzle velocity, you went to longer barrels, and your gear bags got longer and longer. I've been looking for a folding buttstock adapter for a while, and I came across the Sidewinder from Matador when I was looking at their Ruger 1022 products just to see what was new and what was exciting, and came across this. I emailed Annika and she kindly sent me one for review. When you're looking for a buttstock adapter, what you want is a positive lockup, and this definitely provides that. You can tell that it's a firm, crisp lockup, and there's definitely no movement at all. And I'll mount it onto this MDT LSS 22 chassis just to demonstrate that. But again, it's a solid lockup. It comes with an Allen key, so you can adjust the Allen bolts for positive indexing on the stock. And why don't we just put it together and see how it looks? So again, you take any AR tube threaded receiver, carefully threading it in place, and what you want to do is basically, I'm going to get it close. It won't be perfect, so you can see you can over-index it, and then once you roughly have it in the orientation you want, you'll take your Allen screw and lock it in place. Might not be 100%, but for the purpose of the video, you'll get an idea. There's two of them, so it's fairly positive locking. Tightens it up, pulls it in, and now you've got a very solid lockup. Now what we'll do is we'll thread the AR buffer tube. I don't have my castle nut wrench, so I'll just do this hand tight so you just get a sense of how easy it is to do. And I might not get the indexing right, but you'll get the idea. So again, the goal is just thread that and then roughly eyeball it, and then tighten the chewed up castle nut. Okay, and then now you've got a folding buttstock. Now, because this is an adjustable CTR stock, it doesn't really lose you. But if you have a fixed buttstock, you'll lose you'll gain an extra inch of length of pull, which for me could be the difference between good and bad, because I do have a short length of pull. To release, it's pushed down on the button, fairly easy, and it folds. And then you've got a positive lock as well, so it is locking in place. To release it, you'll push on the spring-loaded detent, and then listen to that. So it's fairly firm, very positive. Any wiggling you hear and rattling is really just the buttstock on the buffer tube. So that's a normal sound. So that's it. So that's the Matador Arms Sidewinder AR buffer folding buttstock adapter. It's probably a more slick way of saying that, but that's what it is. It looks pretty good. So I plan to use this at a upcoming NRL 22 match on this chassis actually, and I'll give you a firm opinion on it after I've shot a few stages with it in various positions in barricades to see how tight and how consistent it maintains its locking. So that's it, the Matador Arms Sidewinder folding buttstock adapter.